Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to put the OnePlus 8 Pro against the iPhone 11 in a gaming test, and the game of choice is PUBG. So let's get into it. Both are glass and aluminium sandwiches, but the OnePlus 8 Pro has this nice back to it which is slightly textured. Before we get into the video, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified. To start with, I have completely cleared the RAM so there are no recent apps. Launching both the games together. Just for fun, let me know in the comment section below which phone do you think will open up first. The iPhone wins here, and by almost 2 or 3 seconds. Let's listen to the speakers first. So the bottom firing speaker of the iPhone 11 is a little bass heavy, which is a good thing. So both the phones are equally loud, but I still find the clarity on the iPhone better than the OnePlus, but that might just be me. Let's get into the game. The iPhone should load up faster. Yep, it did load up faster. So I'm going to do two tests here. I'm going to jump at the same place and then going to do the Livik part also, which is a little more colorful than the normal Erangel if you know about PUBG. I'll skip this intro section for you. Right off the bat, the OnePlus 8 Pro screen feels more vibrant and clearer, also sharper compared to the iPhone 11 screen, but this might be because of the OLED which is there in the OnePlus 8 Pro versus an LCD which is there on the iPhone 11. The OnePlus 8 Pro is a Quad HD Plus panel, and the iPhone 11 is a sub 1080p LCD screen. So that might be the main difference, but then these phones are priced really close to one another. I'll change the phone for a second right now. The iPhone 11 does feel a little smoother than the OnePlus 8 Pro, though the OnePlus 8 Pro screen is much better. Now the OnePlus 8 Pro does support 120Hz, but since PUBG is not optimized for the 120Hz, we'll be currently playing it on 60Hz, which is comparable to the iPhone. Just to make sure, both the phones are on the highest possible graphics. I've also kept the frame rate as extreme, but as I said, it's a 60Hz. I can hear an enemy in the background, so let me show you a little bit of gameplay, though I am not the best at PUBG. Let's see how I do with this one. The iPhone being a little more compact, it is easier to hold, but I must say the notch is really in the way if you compare both these phones. The OnePlus 8 Pro also having a punch hole display, but gives you that full screen feeling, which is really nice to play. Now the idea is to show you more colors on the screen, so I'm going to try and burn this car so that you can see that. Let me know in the comment section below which one is your phone of choice. Mine is definitely the OnePlus 8 Pro. Now when I say smoother gameplay on the iPhone, as you can see, the iPhone is much quicker in getting the scope up. Now I'm not saying that the iPhone is faster, but it is definitely more responsive. This is even though the OnePlus has a double touch response rate. Now the heating part, both the phones heat slightly if you play more than 1.5 hours. The iPhone heats about there at the back. The OnePlus also heats about right there, but you will start feeling it more near the mute switch. That's where it heats up more. I guess the processor is there, but it has good heat dissipation compared to other Android phones, I must say. Now I'm going to show you the Livik map as well on both the phones. Since it is a little more colorful and newer, I thought why not also include that. I will just fast forward this part and straight away jump into the game. So we are almost in now. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think about the iPhone colors. I am pretty sure both of them, that is the Pro models and the normal, they all look the same and have the same color reproduction. Might be more truer to life, but when it comes to gaming, I would rather have vibrant colors than have dull colors. Now let me just toggle the brightness as well in both the phones. Overall, both the phones are amazing at gameplay. Heating is a normal issue which happens in every phone when you play such heavy games, so that's not my concern, but otherwise these phones are amazing. That's all from me. Do let me know in the comment section below which phone would you rather game with, the OnePlus 8 Pro or the iPhone 11. For me, it's going to be the OnePlus 8 Pro. Thanks for watching. Do like and share the video.